Now what happens in the process of greenhouse effect? In the greenhouse effect, the heat is trapped. So if I was talking about a motor vehicle with closed glasses in a sunlight, what would happen? It would act as a greenhouse effect. How does it happen? The heat is trapped by the glass and the temperature inside the glass increases much higher than the surrounding temperature. So artificially, these greenhouses are used to have certain vegetations which are not native to a specific area. So you have enclosures which are seen in the colder areas mainly, where plant life could originate in this greenhouses. But Earth itself is acting as a greenhouse as of now, and you have higher temperatures that are recorded. Now once you have higher temperature, it would lead to a global temperature rise or a global warming. Global warming would lead to melting of the glaciers. Melting of the glaciers would lead to higher levels of sea that would be seen, which would lead to coastal submergence. Parley 2 in Lakshadweep is one of the common examples which has recently submerged, the island that is recently submerged from India. You have a lot of places which are in the coastal areas are susceptible or are vulnerable to the submergence that could happen. If we talk about ozone, as I said, ozone is very important for protecting us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. But if present in the stratosphere, if present in the lower layer, what would happen is this ozone is poisonous gas and is considered as a pollutant. It could lead to respiratory problems. It could kill a lot of organisms, and definitely, as I said, it's poisonous, it's harmful. The ozone hole is being caused because of the higher use of chlorofluorocarbons, which are CFCs, and because of the use of CFCs, what happened is we have seen the ozone hole in the region of Antarctica. In 1980s, this hole was small, but in 1990s, we have seen a significant increase. As a result, the CFC refrigerators, the CFC's usage was banned in most of the developed countries, and a cap was put for the developing nations as well.